Hello, and welcome to this demonstration video of my portfolio website. Um, to start out here, I'll just give a brief overview of it. It's really simple. I just want to make a website where I could showcase some of the programming projects I've done, just throughout college or personal ones or just whatever. So I just made a simple website with about 4 pages on it. Um, I just have like a simple home page, about page, a projects page, and a contact page. And I'll go through each one of those. Um, but yeah, so like I said, it's just a simple website. So let's just jump into it here. Um, so this is the home page. Nothing like really special. Just with each of the cards that links to the other pages. This LinkedIn goes to my own personal LinkedIn account. I have also made it responsive. So as you can see, you have like a little fancy hamburger menu and everything. And that's the same for all the pages. We have like the about page here where I put like my skills and everything and link to contact me. I even included a thing where you can hit the button and pulls up my resume so you can see the resume. So that's pretty cool. And simple contact page, nothing crazy there. So now the last page I want to talk about, this is where I did muscle work. It's the projects page. So here I wanted to do something where I didn't want a huge scrollable page of just project after project after project. I just wanted to showcase some of the projects I've done in just little snippets. So what I did is I made a drop-down menu where you can choose just like whatever, different option. So like currently it's on the first one right now of a chess program that I did. And with all the projects, it has, like a brief, little overview of what it is, some of the challenges I faced, just how I designed the program or like approached it with building it, and then a little link checking out the source on GitHub. So like I can click that, and then this would open up to GitHub, where obviously I have my repository, but I've also started adding a little nicer README files just to showcase everything. So with the dropdown, I also added a tiny extra detail where if you click it, if you notice the layout switches, and that's because what I did is I made this layout just dynamic in JavaScript, where depending on the drop down, if the value is even or odd, it'll just choose one of the layouts. If it's odd, then it'll do like the one you see for chess. If it's even, then you see one for orbit. And like I briefly mentioned, is I used a JSON file just to input all of this. So then that way, all I have to do is head to the file, add it, and then the program will just add it to the template and to the page just individually with all the styling and HTML, all of that. So I don't have to worry about it. And that way, it makes it just easier to update, where I only have to update it in 1 or 2 places, and then I'm good. And as you can notice, like some of it isn't quite finished. I still have to put in some of the content and like some of the projects I've done. But really that's just little things like where I can just keep adding more and more projects to however many I want in this dropdown, and they'll each just be dynamically made with the JSON file. So besides that, that is my demonstration video for my portfolio website. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, or you can head to my contact page and also reach out to me that way. Anyway, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you later.